Hey guys, it's Jamie and
Sabrina.
Welcome back to Best Friends World. And this is where we do slime videos, sorting out videos, and slimatory tours.
And we show y'all guys our slimes.
And today we're going to show you our 4 slimes that we made today because I came to her house today, which is...
So we'll have a sleepover.
Yeah. And
spend one night.
So we're going to show you all of our slime ingredients that we have so far. We got to get more for the slime room.
Yeah. Mom,
so let's turn the camera around and 1, 2, 3.
Let's get the slimes.
No. Sabrina's going to get the slimes and we're going to show you our slime box. This is just a random stuff at the top, but...
We made 5, Jamie. We made 5.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got 5 slimes.
We got 5.
So we are in the slime box. I don't know what this is, but... So the first thing we have in the slime box is...
Elmer's glue.
Which is glow-in-the-dark glue.
And some food little dye.
Red
dye. I'm gonna add some more.
Yeah.
But that's yours.
We're gonna show you slimes after.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got some like borax from a slime kit.
Hey. Like it?
We got some borax and then like from a kit.
I want a red.
Is this a solid ingredient?
No. Yeah.
This is for crunchy slime, and we got some
Glitter.
red glitter. She is dyeing a slime right now. What is this?
Little ribbons.
For slime?
No.
Okay. Because we gotta go through this box. We really don't have much stuff right now.
Because we just started to sleep over today.
Well, this is...
mostly mine, not Jamie's.
Be quiet, Sabrina.
Okay.
Okay, I guess.
Stop covering me!
So this came in a set as well.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Is this part of the
now?
Is this part of the slime?
Yes.
This is our mixing tools for some slime.
You're loud. You always got to tell my parents what we're doing.
That's good.
What was the dress? Playing the slimes. Okay.
We got some more glitter. And that's all we have right now. We gotta go buy. That's all we have right now, but we're gonna show you. We're gonna do another slime video tonight. So give a thumbs up and go to Best Friends World. Bye.
Bye.